Hi guys, it's Tegan from Leavens Volkswagen, and today I wanted to show you how to set up your own custom drive mode in our 2025 Golf R. Alrighty, so step one, you're going to have your main menu here. Go to drive mode. You'll see lots of different drive mode options like eco, comfort, sport, race, and custom. Now, custom is an awesome mode for somebody who likes to have, let's say, their steering and comfort, maybe the drivetrain and sport. You can really customize your custom mode. So this one is actually a Golf R, so we have a little bit more variables with this vehicle than you would some of the other ones. But you'll see steering, you can customize comfort, sport, or race. I like to have steering in sport. Maybe drivetrain, you don't want to have it in sport mode, you want it to be a little bit more comfortable. You can select comfort. And if you're someone like me and you want the engine sound on the inside and the outside of the vehicle as loud as it can go, then you can hit race for both of those. Going forward, when you hit your drive mode button and you select custom from this point forward, it's going to be set to the custom mode that you've just made for yourself.
Volkswagen.